Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get Skrill Prepaid card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom side, we have 5 tabs. We have the home tab, the card tab, the crypto, sports, and rewards. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Skrill Prepaid card. Firstly, as I told you, open the app and navigate to the Skrill card section. So you have the cards here, which is the second tab. Then choose the prepaid card option. So here, when you get your card, you just need to go and click on the prepaid option to, of course, get it. And click on order now and fill in the required details. Once you receive your card, activate it by following the instructions provided. You can now use your Skrill Prepaid card for online payments, in-store purchases, and ATM withdrawals. So guys, this will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.